Trixie got you?
Yeah, guys. So let's open it.
Where's Trixie?
Trixie's right over there, guys. See? She's hanging up there.
Oh my God.
Me and my mom found her. She's wearing a skirt.
A skirt?
And look what she got. She got me a tiger and a little bunny, suit.
What is
a
it?
little tiger.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
And what's this?
Trixie is the
Party
best.
Pop Teenies.
Trixie is the best. Trixie is the
Okay,
best.
yeah.
So, guys, these are my kitties. You haven't seen them in a long time. So, guys, Trixie got me this and the other thing too. So,
Let me see first.
look, guys, this is cool. This is so cool. This is so cool.
Let me see.
So cool. Look,
What is
guys.
it called? It's a soft and flow squishies. Okay. And what's the other one that she got you? Party Pop Teenies. What's this?
Party Pop Teenies.
Well, I know, but what's inside?
I don't know. Party Pop Teenies.
Okay, come on. Open it.
So I'm gonna tell you who are these names.
Okay.
This is Dottie, and this is Mr. Meow Meow. She's the girl. Now let's open it. Excuse me, scissors. Scissors! I'm opening that little bunny because I love the little bunny. Look at the bunny suit! It's so cute. Look at it.
Bunny
Look at it.
suit?
Bunny suit. Bunny suit. Look.
Oh,
Let's put it in there. Let's put it in
and
there.
a tiger? Is it a tiger or that's a
Tiger.
It's a tiger or it's a cat?
A tiger. I don't know what's a cat. Okay, let's
Funny.
put him in. Let's put him in. How people get on it? Look, he looks so cute. Looks so cute.
Oh my God.
It's a bunny. It's a bunny suit. It's a bunny suit. Looks so cute.
A cat in a bunny suit?
Yeah, looks so cute,
Funny.
guys.
That's funny.
Guys,
Wow, this is so cute.
let's open this, guys, with them. And a puppet. We should do this later. So let's do it. Okay, everyone. Let's go to it. Guys, look. Now let's pop it out. Okay, so here's this. Okay. It says, oh, it's already opened. Huh. It's already opened. Let's open it. It's a mystery question. And also a mystery question. A mystery question. Let's put the stuff. What's in here? What is this? So guys, I think I'm seeing something. What? That's no, there's something else. Maybe there's something.
What is it?
And this is little. And this, guys, it looks so cute.
You see?
Guys, it looks so cute.
It's a unicorn.
Yeah. And look at what else.
What's that?
It's a rainbow.
Are you gonna show it or no?
It's a rainbow, guys.
Oh my gosh.
And what is this? Oh, it's the clicker cards.
It's a collector guide.
That's how many you can get.
You see?
That's how many you can get, guys.
Oh.
Awesome, huh, guys? So there's something else in here. So
what's that one? Is that a sticker?
Stickers. Stickers.
Study.
Stickers. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
How about that one?
That? Oh, I'll pop it out.
You need help in that one?
No. Okay.
Give it to me.
Look, guys.
So you pop it. It will pop, Manta?
Yeah.
Is it gonna make a mess?
Yeah. Okay, Rose, you're gonna stand back first. First, I gotta open it. There. Okay. These are so cute. Look at these. Guys, look. Look.
Oh my gosh.
We got a unicorn poop. Unicorn poop.
Ew.
It's
Is
like
it a sticker?
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know, but I just want it. Love unicorn.
Oh.
Love unicorn.
Something?
Love unicorn.
Oh.
Little
How about
cloud.
that one?
Cupcake. Cupcake. Now let's see what else. Ooh, confetti.
I thought it pops.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna do this side. I know it pops, but I just do the natural way.
Yeah.
Heart. Some heart.
Oh.
Let's put this here.
Oh, it comes out with a lot of things.
Yeah, and two bunnies. Two bunnies. Two bunnies green.
So cute. Bunnies.
And there's some more stuff. Cats and confetti. That's all. See?
Oh, so you have to do that?
Yeah, I have to do this first. I have to get all of this wrapper off somehow. One doll. Okay, there's hearts and cats. Look, guys. Hearts and cats. Hearts and cats. See, heart. Cat.
Oh my gosh.
There's a lot of stuff, and I'm opening this bust.
Mm-hmm.
It's tapey. Wait, is that?
What happened?
What was that? Bursting up to the sky.
What happened?
This there. Okay, guys, this is gonna be super messy. I'm just gonna do the old-fashioned way. This is the old-fashioned way. This much. Look, guys. I see something.
What?
I see something. I see something. I see the doll. I see a doll.
It doesn't pop?
No, I don't wanna make a pop. That will wake everyone up.
Yeah? Oh, okay. You're right.
I see something in here, guys. You see something in there? Guys, you see something in there? It's kind of
Yeah,
weird.
I see. See something there.
Let's open it. Let's open it, guys. I'm really excited. Trucy got me this. I'm really happy that my elf got me this.
Good.
I've been super good today. Guys, I've been good all week. She brings me presents every day, and my mom notices. That's so awesome, huh, guys? Right, guys? That is so awesome. Oh, so now let's open this. Awesome, huh, guys? Look, guys, I got a thing here. Look, guys, the blind bag. Let's open it. Let's open, guys. Let's open this. Let's open this, guys. This is so exciting, guys. Let's open. Huh? Whoa! It's a little bow.
What is it?
It's a bow. See, guys, it's a bow. It's a bow.
Ooh, it's like a nail charm.
Yeah, it's a charm.
A nail charm.
It looks like a nail charm. You put that there.
For my nails.
No, it's not.
I know.
That.
What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a
And
cup.
a cup. What's this?
It's like a drink or something.
Oh, I think it's a camera. Whoa. She got a lot of accessories.
Cool.
What's in here? Put that there in the trash pile. What's in here? Ooh, a banana shake. Banana shake. See? A
What?
banana shake. Let's put that there.
Very cool.
Oh, another banana shake.
Oh.
Wait.
Vanilla shake?
Is there 2 dolls? Is there 2 dolls? I feel like there's 2 dolls. I feel like there's 2 dolls. Where did it go?
Right there.
Let's keep all the accessories here. Keep all the accessories there. Let's keep all that here. I'm really excited. Wait,
There's one more?
One here. No. Whoa! It's a little kitty. It's a cat. It's a cat. It's a little cat. It's a cat. Little bow.
Oh,
So cute. So cute, guys. So cute. I feel like we're getting toys. I feel like we're almost close to history. Okay. We opened that. Now it's time to open these pieces. Okay. So now let's pull this. And look.
Oh, so those are the ones that you got?
Yeah, I had to pull it out somehow. I don't know how to get it out. Mom, can you do it?
Let me see.
I'll put all this stuff together.
Oh, this is nice. Super pretty.
Wait, do we have 2 dolls?
I don't know. The other one you got is that one. Kind of looks like a Shopkin, that one.
Yeah.
No,
This
the
is
other one,
the
the other
pet.
one. The food.
The food?
Yeah, that one. Kind of looks like a Shopkin, huh?
Yeah. I feel like there's something else in here.
Yeah?
Yeah, I feel like there's something else. Let's put it back in there. Let's do it again.
No.
How'd you get it?
So those are all the accessories?
Yeah. I feel like there's something else.
There's no more. There's only one doll.
No, Mom, I think there's something
There's
else
no
in here.
more. I could see through. See?
Okay, that's the end of our video. That's the end of our video. Bye, guys.